Hi guys, another day, another time, another adventure time of the horse. Today's episode, tayo ay gagawa ng skinless longganisa. Tara, let's go! We have here chicken breast, a lot of chicken breast, garlic, syempre maraming garlic guys, apple cider, this one, sea salt, pimienta, black pepper, and let's add a twister red pepper. Let the preparation begin. Siyempre, unahin natin ang maraming garlic. Bow. Gagamitin natin ang ating pangmalakasang processor para makatotohanan. Ganyan guys. Ito guys. Masarap sa ating skinless longganisa, kaya gawan natin siya. Look at that. Ganito ang consistency guys. Ito naman guys yung chicken breast. Siyempre, grind din natin. Gawin nating mince. Like this guys, very important yung consistency niya. Okay, alright. Wow guys, ang daming pinalabasan. Ganito lahat, 6 na chicken breast. 6 na pirasong chicken breast guys. Moment of truth, wow. And now it's time to add the garlic, a lot of garlic. Tran. Isang bowl guys. Ayan, lagay na natin lahat yan guys. At ito naman yung ating apple cider. Lagyan na natin ng asin to dissolve. Isali na rin natin ang ating maraming pamienta. Taran! Siyempre, lagyan na natin ng chili flakes kasi ito ang gusto ni Brotherhood. May kunting anghang. May kick ba? Guys, ito na yung consistent ng apple cider, salt, black pepper, at chili flakes. Ibuhos na natin dito. Ito na guys, buhos na natin lahat. Taran! And then, paghalo-haloin natin. Ganito na guys, kailangan nating i-marinate para magkaroon siya, masyadong watery ba.